Hello everybody and welcome to another My Luminaire video. Today we're coping with a really common problem. How to light up a bathroom vanity mirror and turn this into this. This light needs to be really strong, minimalistic, and has to come from multiple directions, so it can light up your face details really nice. So let's see how it was made. Main ingredients for this build are power supplies, LED light strips, aluminum extrusions, and double-sided sticky tape. To achieve the desired light distribution, glue the L extrusion to the square extrusion using the aforementioned sticky tape. Of course, you have to make sure that the edges are perfectly aligned to one another. The tape used here is also used for heat sinking the LEDs, thus it's really thin and really invisible. Take your time and glue this really precise, because there is no second chance at this. Once you press them together, that's it, there's no going back. Of course, you make one for the left side and one for the right side of the mirror. Now onto the LED strips. The variety used here are the COB type LED strips. They have a high emitter density, high light output, and look nice as one continuous line of light. To avoid drilling the bathroom wall, and since these lighting devices are really lightweight, to mount them on the wall we use double-sided sticky tape. This tape is so strong that just a couple of patches per lamp will hold it in place without any issues. Since there were cables protruding through the tiles already on the wall, the lamps had to be adapted to accept the cables for the mains power supply for them not to be seen. These holes will route the cables to the insides of the luminaire. As you can see, those power supplies are barely the size to fit them through the aluminum extrusion, which is really nice for them not to be seen at all. The AC side goes to the inside of the lamp and the DC 12V output side goes to the end. Thus solder the DC 12V side of the power supply to the LED light strip. I created the end caps for the aluminum extrusion in Fusion 360, I modeled them and then printed them on a 3D printer. This variety of cap has an enlarged hole in one of the sides, and it's for routing the DC wires through it. So the caps are just plugged into the extrusion and firmly set in place. Be careful not to damage the supply wires. There will be times when you will want to clear the mirror or clean the tiles. In order to remove the cut hazard of this aluminum extrusion, we just sand it down and round it off. On the work site, after turning off the mains supply, prepare the supply wires for soldering. They should be cut short to route them into the lamp easily. Solder the wires and protect them with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape to be securely routed into the lamp. Remove the sticky tape backing and just glue the lamps in place while routing the mains wires through the holes. Before we turn the lights on, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell not to miss any future projects. And this is the end result. Thanks for watching, and you see me soon in a next My Luminaire video.